Morning guys, September 9th, 2020. This one I read a call from a lady. She said her AC's leaking out the furnace, out the back. So I guess she lives in a condo from what she said. So going over there first thing in the morning here, and you know, it could be a blocked drain, it might be a cracked pan, it might be low on dinosaur juice. But we'll figure it out. We'll get it figured out. When in doubt, clean it out. 1 mile. Turn left on Fox Corner Ball Road. She says she changed the filters and whatnot, so we'll have to see. Oh, the damsel in distress, Molly. Another damsel in distress. So, like you said, it's been cooling okay, right?
Yeah, I have it. So in the back, there's a. You can see it where it's coming.
Oh yeah, she's running right down.
Right.
All right, let's open this up. Maybe this trap is blocked. It looks like it's been changed. Did you just recently change that, or?
No, I don't know what that is. I didn't know. That's always been there, so I didn't know.
All right, it might just be blocked here.
Okay. You can.
Let's
hope.
hope.
Take that bucket to get out of it.
It's definitely running down. No, I'll do what I gotta do. Let me get my tools.
Okay.
It'll be blocked right in this trap here. We're gonna try to vacuum it out. Right on this, see what happens. Definitely had some stuff in there. Sorry for the light, but definitely had some stuff in there. Got a little 1-inch ID plastic, clear. Put this back together. And it definitely was blocked. Alright, and then that's a coupling back. They got quite a bit of water out of this thing. We'll show you when we get outside. But we're gonna run the AC. Don't seem to be leaking anymore. Just this trap was blocked. That's all it was. She says it's cooling fine. She says the filters have been changed. Trane.
Oh,
see, it's enough water.
Yeah. Okay.
So we cleaned that out, and now it should drain.
Okay.
Well, why don't you turn the AC down and we'll check the unit outside. Yeah, just turn it down so it don't shut off on me, and I'll check it outside. You haven't had any problem with it cooling? That's no.
Nope.
Yeah, it looks pretty clean. I mean, it don't hurt to hit this with a hose every so often. You know, you don't want to get water in the cabinet, the cabinet, but you know, this part, the fins. Yeah, it was just, you can see it sweating nice here. It's going to be fine here with the charge. It's just that it was blocked. The condensate was blocked and it was backing up.
Did I have that kept every year?
Alright guys, just left that job. I mean, the AC's cooling fine. It was just, I must have got some slime inside that trap. I just vacuumed it out and seems to be fine. She's no complaint about it cooling or anything. I looked at the outside unit, everything seems to be fine there. I didn't put my gauges on it. I didn't feel I needed to. So I don't always check stuff. I mean, if everything looks good and
turn right on Highway 240.
everything's feeling the way it should, I usually let it go. If there's an issue, well, a lot of times, depends. Sometimes I put my gauges on it, depends. But anyway, we're off to our next one. We're off to our next job, Molly. Oh yeah, you love working.
Right on Highway 240.
You love working. You love working. I know you love working. A couple of I put on there, it's 1-inch ID clear plastic tubing. And it fits over that PVC nice and snug. If I ever have to take it off, I can just pop it off again. I don't have to glue it. It won't leak. That's why I use that plastic tubing. Clear plastic tubing. I use them as couplings. Like a, it's like a union almost, I mean. But they slide on it. It fits on there nice and tight, and then it won't leak. And if I ever have to open it again, I just pop it right off and do the old back again, and we'll be good.
1/2 mile. Keep left to I-195 West.
You want to drive? Yeah, you love driving. You love driving. You love driving. You love driving. You just want attention. You love attention, Molly. You love attention. Yeah, you love attention. You want to drive? You want to drive. You love driving. You love driving.